You can now simplify your business processes by having your suppliers discount applied automatically to your purchase orders. Simply click on the products that you want to add the special pricing for and click in Purchase. Remember, you will need to have your suppliers added before including the special prices. Click on Quantity Prices. Select the supplier code. Enter minimum quantity and enter the price or the percentage given by your supplier. Select the price type. You will be able to add comments, perhaps loyalty program or wholesale discount. Then click on Add and save once you have finished. You can also import or export the supplier special pricing. Click on Import or Export button. Here, you will be able to download the template populated with your special pricing before uploading it back into Unleashed. Once the special prices are saved against the product and supplier, you can then create purchase orders for those products. So back to our example. Let's quickly create a purchase order for this product. To make your life easier, when a product with special pricing is selected, the price information will appear once you hover your mouse over the tooltip, and you will be able to see the default purchase price and quantity price. Once you select a quantity that meets what is set in your product record, the discount price populates automatically in red. The price highlighted in white is the price applied for the quantity you've just entered. Pretty easy, right? Use the Purchase Inquiry reports to keep an eye on your purchases and click on the Quantity Pricing checkbox or Hidden Toolbar, Hidden Columns, and drag and drop the Quantity Pricing column to your header. You will be able to see a green tick and all products purchased with supplier discount. Thanks for watching.